Hello, how are you everyone? Uh, Today the question is m raised to the power m is equal to 49 and I am solving for m. Now the solution is m raised to the power m is equal to 49. Taking log on both sides. This becomes log m raised to the power m is equal to log 49. Now using formula log a raised to the power b is equal to b log a. Here m log m is equal to log 49. Now as we know, e log x is equal to x. We use this formula. E log m is equal to log 49. Now we rewrite it log m e log m is equal to log 49. Here we use a is equal to a. We use this formula, then it becomes log m is equal to log 49. Log 49. Now we change it. E log m is equal to e log 49. E log, using this formula, e log x is equal to x. Therefore m is equal to e log 49. Which is our answer. Thanks.